baby, you special. And though we first, you the one on one. Too late, just like too late. Shine like you, pigs, make I shot like you did. Now I got my feelings out the door. Man, I feel so stupid. Romance, I ain't feel. Wait, could you teach me thing or two more?
Good morning, Linda, and welcome to your winter morning routine. So from this, it may look like I absolutely hate waking up early, and while I am quite sad to get out of my extremely comfortable and marshmallowy cloud-like bed, I am totally a morning person. I do the same thing every morning, whether it takes my alarm 1 attempt or 30 attempts to wake me up. I go straight onto YouTube and play the first video that catches my eye, and this is just my time in the morning to slowly come back to reality without having to jump straight into life right away. How do I find the motivation to get up so early every morning? Well, basically what I do is I think of at least one thing that I'm really excited about or looking forward to do that day, and it can be as simple as my workout or trying a new breakfast or just eating in general, getting started on a new video, or getting to cuddle my dog. Let's go. The little happy things that happen throughout my day, that's what I want to focus on when I get my day started, because there's always something good in every day, no matter how bad you think the day is going to go.
Melody, just need to stay away, but you're obsessed with time. No clue what's at stake. In the final round of a lifelong game, so I step out of bounds. I don't want things to change.
Another thing I've been doing every morning after my bathroom adventures is I go to my closet and I pick out my Gymshark outfit, because what I realize is that wearing something tight and colorful and comfy and cute really helps me stay awake and be more productive. Today I picked out a pair of leggings from Gymshark's new Adapt Annual Seamless collection that's dropping February 25th. Mark it down in your calendars, the link is always in my description, and these leggings, guys, are just the cutest things ever.
We don't gotta go out just to have a good time. All you need is take out in a bottle of wine. We don't need that much to have the time of our lives. You and me and $20. You and me and that's enough. We don't need that fancy stuff.
Now this is slowly becoming my favorite part of the morning and kind of the highlight of my entire day, to be honest. I decided to start doing yoga in the morning, and this was quite a spontaneous commitment that I made to myself recently. Basically, I saw an ad about a yoga handstand challenge or something like that, and something, I don't know what it was, just clicked inside of me, and I was like, I'm going to start yoga and I'm just gonna see where it takes me. So this is the second week of implementing yoga into my routine right in the morning, just 15 to 30 minutes every day, and I feel on top of the world. I've never been a yoga girl, I'm not flexible or talented at bending and breathing, but in such a short amount of time, I'm beginning to almost feel like healed from these short yoga practices. These 20 minutes truly give me a moment to breathe, be present with myself, connect with my body, and reflect on something different every day. Like how proud I am of how far I've come, or how strong my body is, or how grateful I am for the people in my life. It's just me time, me and my own thoughts and my own breath, and the world somehow falls away for a little bit. It sounds so weird now that I'm saying it, I know. All the stress and tension in my body disappears. It's quite mesmerizing and empowering, to be honest. I've never felt as calm and at peace with myself as I am, and I'm so excited to see where yoga can take me throughout my journey of self-acceptance. After a moment to myself, it's time to grind. I'm a full-time university student and basically a full-time YouTube person, so my weeks, my days, my to-do lists look very different day to day, week to week. Some days are filled with studying and Zoom lectures, other days I do nothing but eat and edit. It really depends on how busy school is, if I have exams, or if I have any YouTube projects that I'm obligated to finish. Basically, I have to time manage very well. I make a ton of to-do lists, plan out days and weeks in advance, and sometimes I still fall behind, but I try my best, and that's all anyone can really do. Today was an editing day, and these days are the best. All my creative juices can just pour out, and the best part is I get to play YouTube or Netflix or a podcast in the background, and it's just a great time. Today we are watching some Grey's Anatomy, but it really just depends on my mood.
So funny as
When I feel like I've done enough work for the morning, around 10 to 12 a.m., I get to finally work out. So if you've been caught up with all my other videos, you would know I've been taking on Girvan's Epic 2 program for the past 6 weeks. And I am truly lost for words. This woman is the strongest and one of the most inspiring individuals in my life. Over the past few months after finding Caroline, she has changed the way I see and value my own strength. She has pushed me and my body beyond its limits to a place I didn't even know was possible and has redefined soreness to a whole new level. This is the hardest workout program I've ever done, and I never want it to end. The strength, confidence, and trust I've built with my body through Caroline's workouts amazes me. And this woman never fails to amaze me. Such a strong human being, guys. Her workouts make me feel powerful and in love with how I feel, and really shows me how amazing my body is and that I'm capable of more than I think. So if you guys want to sweat to death and feel the strongest you've ever felt, Caroline Girvan is your woman.
In spite of the sky, I like to use my illusion. Imagine the nights with the one who got away. Little lady, where do you lay? Are we still alive?
Okay, I've never believed those people who said like actually getting ready and picking out a cute outfit somehow makes you more productive, but I guess they aren't lying. I've actually been getting ready instead of wearing the same baggy t-shirt every day, which is totally fine. I mean, comfort is key, but I mean, I've been doing my hair, my makeup, picking out an outfit, and I finally see what people mean. I feel so much more alive and confident throughout the day when I try to look good for honestly no one else but myself, but looking good for yourself, that's a good feeling.
It's the white man's world today.
But are we still
Okay, I think this needs to be said. In life, you know, people move on to bigger and better things. People change with time. The people and places that were once the things you couldn't live without no longer matter, but they still have a place in your heart. And that's life. But in this scenario, that's not the case. My protein pancakes have not been replaced forever. This is just a protein oats phase, so let me have my phase. You'll still see the pancakes here and there, don't worry. Just know my protein pancakes will always be number one in my heart. But these protein oats deserve some freaking recognition, and this is totally Stephanie Buttermore's obsession that I have stolen, and I'm not ashamed of it because it's freaking delicious.
Best part of the day.
I literally go to sleep dreaming about these oats. I'd eat them for every meal if that wasn't weird. They just make me feel complete. You know, don't hate the oats. It's not a competition. I have room in my heart for both of you.
Can I help you, sir? Do I need to be peanut butter? You can have a little bit. No way. Drama's so good. Toast so good. It's so good. Up, sit, ba, 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 Okay, let's go ahead. What are you doing?
Just looking at elbow stuff.
So on editing days, not much goes on because I'm literally just sitting and editing the whole day. Rarely do I even get up to do anything except eat, pee, rub Milo, and eat again. Sometimes things do get a little bit more exciting and I have a lecture or tutorial, or I have a business call like today and I have no idea what's going on ever, so I have to force my brother to listen for me and translate it into real human terms. Yeah. Welcome to my very boring life. As fun as this all sounds, because this is my life and I'm hunched over in front of a laptop screen for 18 hours a day, I have developed a terrible neck pain issue. Like, it's pretty bad. So I schedule in 20-minute increments throughout the day to simply do neck stretches, so that's what I'm doing here.
Oh shit, you ought to reach out to Walter. We should next week or we. What a fucking relief. I don't wanna hang out. Ha ha, he. I just want a lonely moment with my snow globe. They can't bother me and I'll live on a no-show. And goddamn, how when will I ever be the man?
Also on my to-do list today, I wanted to film a reel for a collab and giveaway coming up on my Instagram. So feel free to follow me there if you potentially want to win free nut butters in the near future.
I always purposely leave some on the bowl, so
And I was also trying to upload a video for the 5th time for the company to basically completely tear apart and make me redo. So yeah.
everything you love, no matter what your goals are. Of course you
True.
upload faster.
Something finally exciting is happening. So for lunch, I've been wanting to make this tortilla folded TikTok trend thing forever, and like, what an ingenious creation. So I made a breakfast wrap one and a Nutella peanut butter banana strawberry one. My expectations were very high, and I was not disappointed by the final results.
That looks crazy! The layers, the crunch. Can we do it? It's a winner.
So tight, I could be your name. Match with the poop girl.
It's really sour. Oh my. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god. Okay, look.
I always try really hard to make time every day to respond to you guys on both YouTube and Instagram, and I am so grateful for every single message you guys send me. I wish I had the capabilities and the time to honestly get to know and talk to each and every one of you, because you are incredible and strong and funny and inspiring and just beautiful people. It's surreal to me that I even get messages and that people even take the time to reach out, and so many people make the protein pancakes. Like, it's crazy. But I just want to let you guys know, like, I'm never not thinking of you and how proud I am of you and how lucky I am to have you guys in my life. And I hope you guys know truly how much you mean to me, because you mean more than you think.
Ridiculous. Something like the knife. Dangerous. The knife is the best part.
So yeah, this is actually a really good representation of my everyday. I live a very boring, average life. Not much goes on here.
I'm full. I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, besides that, how you doing? You look great today. Look at you.
Oh, thank you. I'm filming a video.
If you were to spend the day with me, it would just be filled with me editing, doing homework, eating, and sweating, and filming myself doing all of those things every single day. And I'm so grateful that this is my life, and I seriously wouldn't change anything. So by this point, it was 5 p.m., but I hope you had an amazing morning, a beautiful day. Do something kind for yourself and something to take care of your body today and every day. And I love you guys so much.
See you.